Hey guys, in today's video, we're learning how to make commentary videos using free AI tools. I mean, completely free AI tools. So let's get right into it. First things first, we're going to head onto YouTube. I already have YouTube open here, and let's make use of police bodycam videos. Okay, so we search for police bodycam videos. I already had one open, but let's open this one and see. So when you open it,
you could literally start your own business right now with Shopify. It blows my mind. With Shopify, it's
okay. So what you are going to do is to install this browser called Microsoft Edge. It comes pre-installed on the Windows laptop or computers. So if you're on Mac, I suggest you download it and install on your PC. So download and install it. I already have it installed, but this is what we need. Now, why do we need this? We need this because it comes with Microsoft's Copilot, and we're going to get into it right now. So let's do it like this. So we come here and then we open chat. You have to make sure you click on chat, right? When you click on chat, it gives you these buttons, these 4 buttons here, and then you hit on summarize video. So you wait for it to come up, and then it starts summarizing the video. So what this does is to give you highlights or key moments of your video. All right, here's a recap, and then it's loading up. Okay, so you can see this is where it starts from 15 seconds, 53 seconds, 1 minute 7 seconds, 7 minutes 16 seconds. This just guides you to making your shorts, right? So now what's the next thing to do? The next thing to do is to go on TikTok. So let's go on TikTok and get a commentary style. So I'm going to use this commentary from Lion Sports. I like his commentary. Okay, this is okay. Let's use Lion Sports 1. So now that it is open any of his videos. Let's mute this. We hit on copy link, and then we go to talk scripts. Okay, talk script. So now that talk script is here, we have to paste in the link and hit on download. This here goes your script. Go here and copy it. When you're done copying it, go back. Let's go back to YouTube. You come here and tell Copilot, I want you to make commentary based on this script I will give you, and also make it a skill for future projects. Paste it. So I'm not going to do that again because I've already done that. So when you do that, it adapts as a skill, and when next you want to make commentary videos, it's just going to be fast for you using this style of commentary. So I'm just going to wipe that out and tell it, give me a commentary based on what the key moments of this video. Okay. To better identify it, tell it to add the timestamps. Okay, so as you can see, we already have it. Now next up, we have to download this video, and then we head to where we head to yt1s.com. YouTube downloader, paste the link here. YouTube to MP4. Let's go again. Video. So this is so long. I'm just going to use this 240p to make this video fast. Let's not make it long. So I'm going to hit on this one. Okay, so now that we have that downloaded, we're now going to make a voiceover based on the scripts here. Now, I use Fish.audio personally. I think it gives 10,000 or 8,000 credits every month for free. That's it, yeah, for free. Okay, so I already have it loaded up here. Let's go to text to speech, and then we start selecting it from here, right? Go back here, paste it, generate. Now we're going to see this. Hit on it again.
The encounter begins with officer. The encounter.
While that is loading, let's go on to the next. Come back here, paste it again. Let's download this one and then generate again.
Her decision to flee shows how panic can override judgment.
Next one.
What was routine police work becomes a dangerous pursuit, putting both officers and bystanders at risk.
Download this. I like to download the second one because it's more clearer. Generate again.
She claims anxiety. The contrast is stark.
Download. Let's come back here.
Her statements.
And then the last one.
Surveillance.
All right. So the next thing is to get all these clips together and cut the video based on timestamp. So I'm just going to open my CapCut. I already have CapCut here. New project. So I'm going to import my clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then the last one. So let's drag onto our timeline. And then we go back here. So first 15 seconds, drag it to 15 seconds and cut. Okay. And then 15 seconds, 53 seconds. So we cut here. So 53 seconds, a decision to each case. Just move forward a bit and cut. Go back again. We have 1 minute 7 seconds. Okay, it stops here. 7 minutes 16 seconds. So you drag up until 7 minutes 16 seconds. So for that, you have to start anywhere from 11. And then you go down. Then we cut here. We go again. We have 14 minutes 28 seconds. Cut here. And then 25 minutes 1 second. So you start from here, split, and what does it say? Okay, evidence review. So you just cut here again. So where do we not need? Let's go back. So we're going to chop off here. Chop here. So we now have it up to 30 seconds. Okay, so there has been an error, but I hope you just get that though. Let's not make the video so long. I made a mistake of extracting audio. So you don't have to do that, right? But I hope you get the point. Now, what was the next thing to do? It is still long, so we can still shorten a bit. Okay. What's the next thing to do? So you just bring in your voiceovers and do it like this. Okay. So you have to do it accordingly. This video is getting too long. All right. How many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you can still add this here. So when you're done, you can Control A and then create a compound clip. Copy it. This is for short, so we need it to be in 9:16 aspect ratio. So we copy it and then we paste it on top of it as overlay, and then we change our aspect ratio to 9:16. So we hit on this, click on the overlay bit, right? So what's the next thing to do? Add our effects. So let's put a blur effect on it. Have a blur stashed here. So we bring down the blur effect and put it in the middle. It's not coming in. And then we drag it till the end. So the background is blur and then you play it. Okay, so that's just basically it. When you're done, export, and that's it. So thanks for watching. Do well to subscribe. If you have any question, leave it in the comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.